Today we talk about how can you find your cards on your flip app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find your cards on flip app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. You go down here, click here on card, just click on it. So when you just click here on cards, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here and here. So just switching to open video here. So then here you will find your cards in this list. Can you find here all items you add to your cards? So I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. Here can you add this items to your cards, and you just click on it, then it's going to take you to add it. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.